Hello, Mark Sturdy here speaking about the 7 days ahead, 7th of October, Friday the 7th of October multi-asset market update, which we're looking at the gilt market, the UK sovereign debt market. Our basic point is that we think the thing is vulnerable, both from the technical point of view and the fundamental. Looking at the technicals first of all, we have here in the weekly chart of the weekly continuation chart of the gilt future, the December 16 future, we see that there was in fact an argument, a good bull argument for a head and shoulders bottom created over quite a number of years from 2011 to 2016. But there's no question but that the market has paused at the prior high of 131.55. And if we look at the detail of the daily chart, this is the Vanguard Gilt ETF, we have a nicely formed head and shoulders reversal, which looks to set to drive the market back down to 2250, rather less than 2250, maybe 2240, where the first support is found from these two prior highs back in February of 2016 and in February of 2015, in fact. So we expect the market to come down quite sharply, which this will equate to just 124, which is a pullback of some 6 big figures. And we expect the market to get down there and then in the next few weeks and then take a look at what he wants to do there. Were it to break the 122.40 level, we think it would go on. It would place this whole bull run under a question mark and break up this whole bull pattern. So a pullback to the neckline, and then if that breaks, well, the jury's out really, but it could come seriously further down towards 115, 110 perhaps. But in the first place, we think a pullback to 124 in the futures or 22.40 in the ETF. The fundamental argument that John Lewis goes into in some detail here is basically that, quite simply, there is a scenario whereby the pound drops far enough to increase inflation and to destroy our trade balance and leads to a recession. While that remains possible, the gilt's going to suffer, and that can only be resolved at the end of Brexit negotiations. So there's no early relief for the pound at all. Thanks very much.